Couponing with Tisa. Hey guys, welcome to my Ibotta haul for this week. I know I'm starting out in the store because I was talking on the phone when I was in the car and got here, so now I got to record while I'm in the store. So welcome to my channel for all the newbies. For those who are here, y'all know what time it is. We're in Wally World. We're doing our midweek moneymaker bonus. Ibotta gave me $1 back for 5 offers for this week, so not too bad. I actually did one already on the Zycam at another store because I found it on clearance. I posted it earlier on my Instagram, so you guys gotta follow me over there. I keep telling y'all, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, my other social media platforms, because sometimes it's easier for me to just post over there because it's faster and it's quicker than trying to post here on YouTube. But nonetheless, I got some really great offers there. I have way more offers that's on my Google Doc than I'm doing in the store because it's just very time consuming to try to do everything in the store. So I just wanted to highlight some of the new rebate offers to you all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to shopping. All right guys, so I was going to show you this battery deal, but my store clearly does not have them in stock when it said that they do. It's the Energizer Max AA, the 4 count at $4.97. Now in the 12-11 smart stores, we did get this $1 off coupon that you can use with it. But there is a rebate offer on the coupons.com app as well for $1. So if you don't have the paper coupon, that's fine. You can end up paying just $3.97, but get back 500 buy and scan kicks, which is $2. So that'll leave at $1.97. So that's one way you can do it. Here's another way you can do it. You can pick them up at $4.97. Don't use any coupons. Redeem it for $1 on the Alexa app. Redeem it for $1 on coupons.com. And redeem it on Shopkick for 500, which is $2. That'll make it just 97 cents. So if your store has the 4 count, pick those up. Now you can use them on the other counts as well, but this is just the better deal. Another deal on the Duracell Optimum, the 4-pack. I'm sorry, you got to get the 6-pack, not the 4-pack. So let me find the 6-pack for you guys. Duracell also has a deal on these lithium coin batteries. You can pick up the 2-pack. Now online it said $5.72. But as you can see in my store, it's a little bit higher, but just see how much yours are in your store. So we're going to go off the $5.72 price mark that I had. Pay that amount. You can redeem it for $1 on Ibotta. Plus on Swagbucks, you can get up to $1 back. So that would make it $3.72 for picking up one. Now, if you pick up 2, let me show y'all the breakdown. If you pick up 2 of them, that'd be $11.44. You're redeeming for $2 on Ibotta and $3 on Swagbucks, making it $6.44 or $3.22. All right, I'm going to show you this, guys, this deal that I did on the Zycam last week, but it's gotten a little bit better. Thank you to Sister Saving You Cents for showing me how it got better. So if you pick up the 2 25 count tablets at $10.64, pick up 2 of them. That'll leave you to pay $21.28, but there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta. You'll get back twice, plus up to 1,500 Swagbucks. That's $15, you guys. That would leave you at just $4.48 for both, or $2.14 each. Now the checkout 51 rebate is gone right now, but it's $2.50. So if it comes back, load your receipt, get back an additional $5. Makes them not only free but a 72-cent money maker. I did a deal in another store yesterday, and I'm so glad I did because I can't find them anywhere in my area now. But I picked up the Zycam Zinc Cold Remedy. The nasal all clear, the 10 count. Again, I got the 10 count. They basically look like this, but it's the 10 count. I found them on clearance for $4.36, so I paid $8.72. I redeemed for $1 for both of them on Ibotta, so I got $2 back on there. Plus on Swagbucks, I got back 1,500 Swagbucks, which is $15. So not only were they free for me, they were an $8.28 moneymaker. So look for the 10 count in your store. I posted it on Instagram. It has the UPC number. You can look on BrickSeek to see if you have them in your area. Also, shout out to the sisters again. I saw this deal on their Instagram. You can pick up these slow mags at $9.88. Now they have a $5 printable on their website. That will leave you to pay $4.88. Redeem on Ibotta for $4.88. But the shop kit rebate has actually gone up to 1,110 buy and scan kicks, which is $4.44. So if you have that $5 printable, that's going to leave you at a $4.50 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have the printable like me, it's going to leave you at 50 cents, which still is not a bad deal considering this product is normally $9.88. I'm going to pick up this KY again. Already gave the first one away. I'll be giving this one away too. Okay, mind your business. So they're $4.47. I'm going to get back 1,450 buy and scan kicks, which is now $5.80. So it increased. Not going to make these just free, but $1.33 moneymaker. So yep, I'm picking it up. All right, guys, I'm going to pick up the U by Kotex today because they have them in the store. The ones at $2.97. I'm going to use my $1.15 IP that I got from my ferry. That's going to leave me to pay. Sorry, guys. I got to get my paper. That's going to leave me to pay nope, that's if I was getting two. I'm only getting one. Hold on, let me redo this math. It's going to leave me to pay $1.82, but we have that $2 rebate on Ibotta that is attaching to, and it's about to expire soon. So when I scanned it in the app, it didn't come up, but when I went in my clip coupons, there it was. Plus, I'm about to get 1,000 points back, which is $1 on Fetch Rewards, because this is my second time doing this deal. So not only is it going to be free, it's going to be $1.18 moneymaker. Now in my breakdown, I showed you guys what it would be if you picked up two of them. If you didn't fulfill the rebate offer on Fetch, you would need to pick up two of them. So I gave you guys the two product breakdown in the Google Doc. There's a deal out there for my folks who may need Depends, or if you pick up Depends for someone you might love or donate them, here's a good deal. You can pick up the silhouettes at $13.74. Now if you can find a smaller size that fits the confines of the rebate offer, then pick up the smaller ones and pay less. But this is all my store have, so this is what I can show you. So they're $13.74, but they have a $7.50 rebate on Ibotta, makes them $6.24. So that's almost like half off. Actually, it's a little bit more than half off. So this is a really good deal if this is a product that you need or use or donate. Another new rebate that's out there for us to do. It's on these Glide by Oral-B. The floss picks, they're $3.96. There's a $2 rebate we have on Ibotta. Gonna make them just $1.96. While we're in oral care, I'm gonna bring you guys this Listerine deal too. So you can pick up the 1 liter at $5.97. The blue one, the green one, are the same price, but the original one is $7.57, and so is the purple one. But I'm going to focus on this one. So $5.97. We have a $1 rebate on Ibotta. We have a $1.50 rebate on coupons.com. Plus we have a $1.50 rebate on the Alexa app. You guys, it's going to leave this at just $1.97. That's a really good deal for this big old bottle of Listerine. It's a deal for anybody that has a cat. You can pick up these Temptations at $2.14, and Fetch has 100% back rebate offer for you, so you'll get back $2.14. Okay, guys, so here's a deal on this Brita. I'm going to focus on the one that's $22.92. They are attaching to a rebate offer. So the rebate offer is on Alexa for $4, and there's one on the coupons.com app for $4. Now, when I looked at it online, it said $22.11. Now it said $22.92. Either way, you'll get $8 back. So that's a pretty decent deal for a Brita. That'll make it $14.92 at the price shown here. But in my math on my breakdown, you'll see I have it at $14.11 because that's what the online price said. You can see if your store price match or not. I showed you guys how to make the small hand cream a money maker. That's in the travel section. But let me tell you this deal too. So you can pick up this one at $4.97. In our which insert was this in, y'all? Sorry, y'all, had to move it to this side because everybody decided they want to pick up lotion, which I ain't mad at because it is the season of ash, okay? So we're going to pick this one up at $4.97. We're going to use this $2 coupon in the 12-4 Smart Source. Plus, we'll get back the $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. Going to leave this one, that's 5.5 ounces, at just $1.47. So that's a really good deal for this lotion. Keep in mind, this Healing Hands one does not qualify for usage of this coupon because it it says it excludes it, but it does attach to that $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. Also, you guys, the rebate says that it's supposed to attach to this age renew, but it is not attaching. I also tried to attach it to the eczema one, but I think that one's excluded, but this one says that it is included. So I went ahead and submitted the barcode and everything to the coupons.com, I'm sorry, the Ibotta app, so hopefully they will add that product. But either way, this is actually the better deal at having it at $1.47. So I checked my app, and the Febreze air spray rebate is back again. It's select scents that's attaching, like this Unstoppable one here, the kitchen one, and so is this heavy duty one. They're all attaching to a $2 rebate, makes it just $1.97. So check your app. I'm so heartbroken. They reset my app. My rebate app on Ibotta for the Persil deal, so I had to adjust my math. So they're $5.97 for the liquid or for the pod, the disc. Now in the 12/11 save, we got this lovely $2 coupon off, and we got a $2 printable on the coupons.com app. Again, if you can't print the printable, the rebate is available on the coupons.com app. This is on the website. Redeem on the app. That's it. Now my rebate is only a little 50 cents, so that'd make it $3.47 if I use these coupons. Now if I don't use these coupons, I can pay $5.97, get back the 50 cents on Ibotta, get back $2 on the coupons.com app, plus get back $2 on Alexa. That's going to leave it at just $1.47. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, your rebate offer varies. It could be double attaching. It could be a $2 rebate. It could be $1. It could be 75 cents. But this is just a really good deal on Persil. So this is what I'm going to pick up today. There's an offer on the Bigelow tea. As you can see, they're $2.98 in my store. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta for them. That'll make them just $1.98. And if you got kiddos that need a little help getting your veggies in with your juice, and you don't like to drink it, here you go. Get this V8 Splash at $2.46. Now my rebate is only for 46 cents. Sorry, my rebate is for 50 cents, so to make it $1.96. All right, guys, so here is everything that I am getting today in today's haul. I'm only using one paper coupon. The rest of it I'm going to get back on Ibotta, Shopkicks, Swag Bucks, Alexa, because I'm trying to get all the money I can get back. Okay, so let's go check out and see how it all turns out. All right, you guys, so here is my receipts. Here are my receipts, proper English, Tisa. There are the Zicam that I told you all about that were $4.36. And then there is the haul that I picked up for today. So not a whole lot. My totals were $30.91 before tax, $32.30 after tax. I got about $8.50 from Ibotta, $3.50 from coupons.com, $3.50 I got from the Alexa app. Both of these I have already loaded, so I already got them back. $15.02 from Swag Bucks. That was it right there. That's what took me over the top. $1.06 from Fetch Rewards. I did the U by Kotex, and then I just scanned a regular receipt and got 25 points for that. So it was a total of $1.06. $1.54 from Brand Club because I did a survey over there, and then I did $8.06 on Shopkick. Yes, y'all, your girl was scanning up something. 2015 kicks and buy and scan kicks made my total back $41.18. Made it a $10.27 moneymaker. Don't judge me. Without tax, and an $8.88 moneymaker with tax. Everything was completely free. I'm so excited. This was a really great haul. So I hope you guys are able to get out there and score. Remember, I have way more deals in the Google Doc that are available to you to view and possibly do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Until the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.